So you have made a song. Now what? Most upcoming artists get stuck in this situation all the time. But today I'm going to show you how you can upload your song to Spotify, Apple Music, all the platforms. Artists are uploading their song the wrong way. You always upload the song the wrong way. It will cause them plays, their play will not count well, their money will not add up, and exposure, their song will not go get exposed to the right people. Today in this video I will show you everything you need to know about uploading your song, distributing it the perfect way. We all know we have different distributor in the world, so me I use one OPM for my own. Maybe your distributor is different from my own, but it's the same thing, it's the same uploading process, the same thing. So don't let anybody deceive you that this one is different from this one. But they are different through other stuff, but the distribution way is the same, perfect. So just patient, let me show you how to do it. That's what I do in this channel. So let's go. So I use one OPM, don't forget one OPM. This is how to upload to on one OPM. Touch upload music. Don't forget to upload music. I don't want to upload my music. I want to show you how to upload if you want to upload. So you put a title of song, album, anyone you want to do first. They don't know if you are a song. Let me put make. For example, make the song I want to just upload. For example, I will just say select artist GINOWIZZY. Okay, you scroll down. Main gender. It's Afrobeat, of course. Now, normal Afrobeat to the world, nigga. No darling. Second gender, Afro pop. Sound like more Afro pop. You get me? Don't forget to pay attention. I'm showing you something right here. Label, you can put your own label. You can leave the copyright to your name, or you can put your company name, your label company. Don't forget for now, person inside your label company, we own the copyright of your song. So careful. So you look everything. If everything is perfect. Everything is perfect to me. My name is perfect. The gender is perfect. Language is perfect. Copyright is perfect. So you press look good. Take all those details. Oh, patient and look those details well and properly. You get me? Don't make mistake. Oh, what? You say add track. So you touch add track. Hear me? Add track. The title of the song, the music you want to distribute, right? The title, the same make, the same title you put in that first place. Contributor, yes, like once you feature an artist that is that place. Okay, add producer, you put whoever produce the song name. You scroll down and you see producer. See producer. See me step by step. Don't make a mistake. Add songwriter. Songwriter must be. You get me? Must be the songwriter that wrote the song, not another person that not wrote the song. In case of the publishing side of the song. So you put who play any instrumental on it. I put first shallow, I play shallow of the song. This they ask AI if the song was made by AI, because AI people are now making songs and most platforms don't accept song made by AI. I don't get it, this our generation these days. Get me? Okay, I forget to put. I will put human creation, no AI. If you put AI creation, platform might not accept the song because they don't fuck with those AI fake niggas and stuff. You get? You want to be artist? AI will take over our job as an artist. You get me? So yeah, you can add the track. I had no track to upload. Don't show you how to upload. You get? Don't forget that. You touch here to add the track. This place that save that triangle. You can tell your media picker, pick the song you want to upload. The song will show up here and load. Get me? Pay attention to pick the song. You can enter here and pick the song you want to upload. I don't want to upload, so I'm just showing you. The cover art, you will meet their requirements for their cover art they need. So they need the 3,000 for the this thing. You read it and sit down and look everything well. Okay, here's where you can distribute it to. You will read it, follow up. You can touch distribute. Once you already put cover art and everything, that is how easy it is. Simple. Don't Many artists get stuck right here. Find a good distributor. I for say you can use one OPM, but one OPM now these days you have to be invited or you can accept them this thing, they accept, they accept. It's very hardly these days to accept person on 1 OPM. 1 OPM don't accept people anymore, so you have to have grace to go to 1 OPM. I would say you can go. The get distributor to me don't make sense. Most distributor don't make sense to me because 1 OPM now they collect percentage from your music. That's what I like. But if you are paying to for them to keep up music on the stores like AppleMusic, that don't make sense. But you are not making money from your music and you are paying person to keep your music on platform. We are not making money from the music yet. That don't make any sense. I like 1 OPM. I love 1 OPM. Respect them. They do good job on this platform. They help plenty artists grow audience. They make money. You get me? Peace and love. If you learn, subscribe. If you don't learn, subscribe. If I say you watch my video, I not get time. Peace and love. No concern me.